Okay, here I am in my foster kid's bedroom. But this bedroom is going to get a whole revamp and turned into my new home office. So here we are. This is what it looks like right now. Let me give you another overview of the room. So let's get started. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Today I am starting my home office / craft room project by disassembling the bunk beds and all of the furniture within the room. Then I'm going to move on to some paint touch-ups and bringing in some furniture that I already have on hand. I'm still waiting for my deliveries to come from Amazon, so that'll be in the next episode. My name is Courtney, and I enjoy decorating, DIYs, room makeovers like you see today, and everything purple. Honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. Here you see my wife removing the old ceiling fan that we had up in this room. And this one I purchased at Home Depot on sale. So as you can see, it's working beautifully. So now it's time to move on to touching up the paint in the room. I love the sleek modern look of this ceiling fan, and I think it's going to complement the room beautifully. Here I'm showing you the paint in the room. Scratches and dings on the wall, but it's not too bad. This wall behind the bunk bed, though, took a beating, so that is where I'm going to concentrate on the most. The rest is just touching up certain areas. So let me get started while you sit back and relax. So this wall is the wall that I wanted to concentrate on, and I'll go around and then I'm going to retouch the trim. So this paint I got at Home Depot, Scrub Defense Flat paint, and I had it color matched for the paint that I had. It was called Glen Briar Beige. So I'm just going to continue on. I'm not going to bore you to death by having you watch me paint. I'll bring you back when all the painting is done and I'll show you how it looks. Now that all my painting is complete, I'm bringing in some furniture that I had in other rooms of the house. And that's a good tip. You don't have to always go out and buy new things. Sometimes just by moving things from one room to another changes the whole look. These bookshelves I had attached to the wall in another room. They're cube storage organizers that I had stacked one on top of the other. That's why I had to remove the L brackets from the inside. That is what attached them to the walls. Next, I'm going to give them a good cleaning and then replace the books that I had in them already. My printer scanner had already arrived from Amazon, so I brought that into the room, as well as a purple wingback chair that I had in my master bedroom. And that I'm going to use as my office chair. Next, I'm removing the TV from this wall and putting it over the bookcase. I start by removing the television itself from its holder. Then I remove the holder from the wall. Using a stud finder, I find the position of my studs and mark each one, so I know where my screw placement will go. Next, I screw in my screws where I've marked on each stud and replace the TV. And voila, honey, won't she do it? Yes, yes, she did that. And there we have it. The TV is up and ready to roll. Okay, so this area turned out pretty good. All right, so I'll still add some accessories to that, and I have to paint over the strip here. But when I took the strip down from the wall, if it ain't one thing, it's the next. And of course, when I took the holder down, I got some patchwork to do. So I'll patch that up and then I'll meet you back and we'll continue.